So some HIPAA frequently asked questions. I'm Erin Jackson with Jackson LLP Healthcare Lawyers. As a healthcare business attorney, I frequently hear providers and practices frequently asked HIPAA questions. Here's a few of the most common ones I get. Can I use Gmail as my practice email? Yes, but. 1. You need to perform your risk assessment. This helps you determine if Gmail is an effective and compliant way of not only communicating with your patients, but of protecting their PHI, or protected health information. 2, if you get the Gmail that actually costs money. This means you have to also execute the BAA, or Business Associate Agreement, that Gmail offers. For $5 to $10 an account per month, you can follow that option. But it's crucial because a regular @gmail.com email address isn't going to be part of G Suite, which is the business side of Google, and which allows you to execute that important and crucial BAA. The next question, can I use Google Voice as my practice phone? No, Google Voice is the type of phone called VoIP. Now, Google won't execute a BAA or Business Associate Agreement for Google Voice. This means that you can't use Google Voice and be HIPAA compliant, which is also the case with any other type of VoIP phone. Surprisingly enough, in this area, cell phones actually frequently offer better security, but you need to be sure that you execute a BAA for whatever type of phone you use. I already have an EMR or EHR system. That's good enough to be HIPAA compliant, right? No. That's a great way to help protect the security of your patient records. However, it's only going to be a mechanism by which you demonstrate your HIPAA compliance throughout various aspects of your written HIPAA policies and procedures. For example, you still need to protect the physical security of your office and physical records. You need to come up with a plan for what will happen if you have a power outage and it creates an emergency for your practice. There's all sorts of issues that are not addressed by your EMR. However, the fact that you're using an EMR does help you shortcut a few options. For example, in your policy, when you address whether or not patient records are maintained on secure servers, you'll be able to go to your EMR system's frequently asked questions page on their website. It'll say something like, we have a massive server facility and it's protected by round-the-clock guards and is awesomely secure. And so you'll write in your policies that you maintain all records on a secure server. These are just a few answers to just a few of the questions we get most commonly about HIPAA. And it's an example of why it's so important to maintain written policies and procedures that address your practice's unique concerns, unique record-keeping requirements, and unique providers. If you want to learn more and stay tuned about how to keep your practice compliant, just follow our YouTube channel.